Yummy when you say, yummy when you say, you seem to understand my feelings and work out all my troubles and dealings. Therefore, then I feel, I can't resist this on fire. Together as one, we're moving on. Together as one, we'll be moving on. Together as one, we'll be moving on. Yeah, yummy when we say, yummy when we say, she's right. Mash it up. Voice. You know, old pirates. From the bottom this place, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation, triumphantly. I want you guys to sing these songs of freedom. Is all I ever read. Redemption songs, songs of freedom. Redemption songs, songs of freedom. Emancipation from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Oh, I must be a father from this energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How shall they kill our prophet while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a possibility. We've got to fulfill the word. I want you guys to sing songs of freedom. It's all I ever read. And this thing is Sunday. Redemption song. It's all I ever read. And this thing is amateur redemption song. And songs of freedom. Do you hear? Redemption songs, songs of freedom. Yummy little children, come on. None of them can stop the time. Why not shall they kill our prophet? Why we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a possibility. We've got to fulfill that word. I want you guys to sing. singing people redemption songs, our songs of freedom. Do you hear? Redemption songs, our songs of freedom. Yeah, me live for change. Come on.